What is SAS? SAS is Statistical Analysis System, which is a software suite used for advanced analytic business intelligence, data management, and predictive analytics. It enables data scientists to perform a wide range of functions, including data mining, text analysis, and optimization. Versatility, it provides a range of powerful tools for data manipulation, statistical analysis, predictive modeling, making it a valuable asset for organizations seeking to derive insights from their data. Industry standard, SAS is widely recognized and used across industry for its robustness, stability, and security features, making it a popular choice for data science application. So basically, SAS is statistical analysis system which is used for business intelligence data management and which provides predictive analytics after the data has been given by the scientist in order to perform the operation like data mining, text analysis, and optimization on various levels. It is known as versatility because due to a powerful range of tools available for data manipulation and statistical analysis, which helps in predictive modeling and making it a valuable asset for organizations seeking to derive data from their insights. And the industry standard is a popular choice because the stability and security and the robustness features it allows the users to use on their data, which make it a popular choice for data science application.